This week, link one debit order or more to your bank account on the NetBank Money app to stand a chance to win an iPhone or Samsung tablet up to the value of 20,000 Rand. Welcome to Amavanza TV, State DSTV Premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by Likopi.
The one and only.
How are you, my brother?
I'm good. We
won this one game.
Firstly, Peter Mashata.
Yeah.
Peter Mashata.
Yeah.
Loftus,
Yeah.
without you, will never be the same.
Rest in peace.
No, I can't say rest in peace
Yeah.
to Peter Mashata because he was always living peace.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until we meet again, Peter.
Yeah.
Abu Yellow Sundawan.
We won this one.
Yeah, game nele mnati. Mutho mo boletsare ke mathomo a bona team e dira Sundowns. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Thank you for that.
Nna ke bona re ne ba re village. Ba tlo no vita ona ntlo ka idira. O vita ba tlo vita Sundowns e tshwana le tau. O ka ru kitimisa tau ya ema, lo wena o tlo ema. Yeah! O ka go yona. O ka ru kitimisa tau ya ema, lo wena o tlo ema wa rata o rata. Yeah! O le le Sundowns e droya. Sundowns e droya. Team e latela ka mora wa i win. Yeah! Ya droya. Yeah! That's what we're taking. Esperance, if you use a home ground advantage, if ever Gaja Sundowns, go in one notch, so hey Damu, how to use home ground advantage. 3-0. They will never score. Damu Loftus. Never. They will never score. 3-0. To be honest, no coach. I cannot tell you.